actually eat, drink, and everything's all set. Kind of mandatory to wear a mask, but we really don't do it too much. But this is beautiful CARMEL. This is a lovely Wednesday. There's your little sign right there. I haven't seen anyone get a ticket, but I'm sure there may be. But you know what? We're here and it's beautiful. Look at all the outside dining. You don't have to wear a mask for that. This weekend it will be loaded and we'll be gone by then. We just came for a few days just to enjoy this here. But look at all the outside dining that they've got. Absolutely brilliant. Where else in the world can you come and see and do all these wonderful things? This is it. Anyhow, we've had a good time. We're going to come back and have a little something to eat and then come back this afternoon later on. So, come to CARMEL.